Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing some quick and simple Dollar Tree and Treasure DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Before I start today's video, I'm going to be sharing this new product they sent me to try out. It's this new Air beer froster. It holds up to 125 beer cans. This product has a lot of cool features. First of all, it has a light button. It chills down to 23 degrees. It also has a lock so nobody can change the settings. It has a turbo mode so you can cool something within an hour. And the last button is the party mode, which keeps the compressor on, blowing ice cold air for 6 hours. So no matter how many times the fridge door opens, it's going to keep everything nice and cold. I'll be putting the link to this product down in the description box along with a discount code. So if you guys are interested, you can check out their website. And with all of that said, let's get started with this video.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure.
For the first DIY, I started off by removing the paper of the canvas. I'm going to be using this wall sticker, and since it has adhesive, I'm just going to be cutting around and I'm gonna be hot gluing it onto the frame. Next up, I'm slightly adding some ivory chalk paint all over the image and the frame as well. Once the paint was done drying, I'm just going to sand it down. The second DIY was super simple to make, yet I loved how it ended up looking. I just started off by staining the wood tray. I'm going to be cutting this piece of cardboard paper I had. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. I cut the cardboard small enough so it could fit in the edges of the tray, and to give it some detail, I'm adding some gemstones that I got from the Dollar Tree. Once I was done doing that, now I'm just going to be painting them with some black paint. I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. On each edge of the tray, I'm going to be adding 2 pieces of cardboard with some hot glue.
like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. Cause this pressure's really bringing me down. I wish I had the guts to.
For the third DIY, it was super simple as well, and I just started off by tracing the cutting board onto this wood looking adhesive, and I'm just going to be cutting it out and adding it onto the cutting board.
Skip all the acts, stop playing games. Maybe revealing they ring me and tell you my name. Yeah, I got a feeling that it could be great. Skip all the acts, stop playing games. No one can say that they ring me, I won't be ashamed. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so.
I'm going to be using this pickle jar that I had recycled, and I'm just adding some rope on top.
Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
So it wouldn't look too simple, I'm going to be adding 2 pieces of rope to make a little handle on each side.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. Cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by cutting these craft sticks, making sure that they were similar size of the wood plank. And once I was done cutting all the craft sticks, I'm going to stain them with some dark wood stain. I'm going to be using some coffee to stain the wood. I'm going to be doing a little small box with the wood planks, and I'm just using some hot glue to put them together. To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding 2 craft sticks on each edge of the box. I'm also adding some rope to make some handles. Shifting shapes in millennia. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me, and that way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.